couple of years ago, I cleaned my own oven with some of that kind of like paste stuff that you get. I cleaned my own oven because I didn't want to spend 100 quid for somebody to come and clean my oven. And I did such a good job that I accidentally touched part of the oven that I shouldn't have done, got cleaning solution in it, and I needed an entirely new oven. I had to buy a brand new oven, which was 500 quid. So in my haste to save £100 on having something cleaned, I had to spend 500 quid replacing it. This is known as a false economy, or buy cheap, buy twice. You've all heard these kind of things, and we all logically understand that they're true until it comes to our situation. We're like, yeah, but I can save money here. Why would I save money? I'm just going to do it. It takes a lot of strength, a lot of wisdom to stand above that and say, actually, paying properly for this is probably the way to go. And you're going to be facing these challenges with your buyers where they're thinking about solving their solution in a different, solving their problem in a different way, and it's a false economy for them. And you've got to recognize that, and you've got to talk against that. But the problem is you're extremely biased. So the thing I would always do is say, look, I know I'm biased. Of course I am. So you have to take this with a pinch of salt. But if you try to just do this, if you try to clean the oven yourself, there's a chance you could possibly break the oven because you don't know, with all due respect, which bits you can and can't touch. We do. So it's much safer for us to do it. And plus we're insured. So if we break it, it's covered under insurance anyway. That's the kind of angle I would take with that. But there's false economy, and you'll probably recognize and relate to this with your own solutions, your own problems that you're facing for your clients, the problems you're solving for your clients. Where is that cheaper solution where you just roll your eyes and your heart sinks, oh, for God's sake, if you do that, you're just going to, it's not going to solve the problem. It's just going to make it worse. It's a false economy. Just be prepared for that and the conversations that you're having with your buyers, because in the moment, even for me, and I talk about this stuff, even for me, the thought of saving money was so tempting that I did it, and I didn't buy cheap, pay twice. I pay like 5 times what I would have paid to have the oven cleaned. I had to buy a brand new oven. Embarrassing.